Yes, guys, what's up? You know, it's your boy Chef Blake is in the building. Yeah, today I'm doing a review on this video right here. First thing first, I have a lot of things coming up in this video, so keep watching to the entire video, guys, so you don't miss out anything that you don't see at the beginning of the video. So, in order for you to know what's going on in this video, I'm gonna leave it like a little suspense. You gotta watch to see what's going on. There's a whole bunch of stuff in this video, guys. First thing first, let's check out this brand new 2021. I believe this is 2022 BMW Ultimate Driving Machine X6. Yeah, M-sport. So this guy right here is the ultimate beast. It's a beast on the road, guys. Take a look at it. This is not no little normal BMW. This is the ultimate driving machine, immersively. You understand? This is something ergonomics looking good. Price tag $130,000, not to include taxes. So you know, by the time you walk out through the dealership door, you're gonna end up paying at least $145,000 for this beast of beauty. You understand? This is the ultimate machine. This is when you pull up in your driveway, you make your neighbor look jealous. You understand? You make your neighbor look jealous. When you pull up at work, everybody know you are paid. This is the ultimate driving machine. Yeah, German made. Dual exhaust. Quad core. You understand? Type of thing. Yeah. The ultimate beast. 4 massage. Alright, this is the condition of my vehicle. So I'm leaving it in. Condition of the wheel. Condition of the wheel. Condition of the doors on the left side. Condition of the wheels. This is right front. The rims, condition of the front, and the condition of the interior. Oh, I don't have the keys, so I can't get in. Management of the keys. Police and patrol pulling people over here. Yeah. Yes, peeps, I don't know how the thing set that your boy Chef Blake. Yeah, first time with Bellico. They call it Mini. Yeah, first time I'm driving a Mini, so this is what it feels like. Going for a road test with this little Mini right here. It's very small. Yeah, I mean, if you're a new driver, yeah, this would be nice for you. If you don't like to have a big vehicle, and you like something small where you can, handle on the road, you ain't gotta worry about parking space when it's time for you to park. Yeah, this is what the Mini looks like. Yeah, Very comfortable inside. I believe the headroom was gonna be a little less than what I expected. Yeah. So, yeah, man. I mean, man, Chef Blake in the house. Yes. So, checking out little mini Annapolis Bridge right here. Let me over, dude. Here's the water over there. Nice and pretty, guys. Catch the views. Yeah, that's what it looked like going over the bridge. Yep. Nice. We do some fishing right there. Look at that body of water, guys. Perfect for fishing. It's the dock over there, the pier. All them boat park up over there. Yeah, man. Nice little scenery. Welcome to Annapolis, Maryland. Yep. And at the same time here, my little mini driving out. Yeah. Road review. My little mini is nice and clean, you know. I know some of the people them where, like I was saying earlier, just start to drive. You understand, them haven't developed them confidence yet, especially student drivers or new drivers and all that stuff. This is perfect for you. This little mini right here, not only say it's perfect, but if you are in Washington DC, where you know say in the urban area, parking is very hard, and you know you don't want to park certain place and get a ticket because space is limited. This is perfect. This little mini here seems like it's no longer than about 5 feet. Perfect little car for parking. You can't go wrong if you're having parking problem in the urban city. And also, it's fast, very reliable, very comfortable. You know what I mean? The noise cancellation inside is very good as well, because I'm driving right now and you know what I mean, the noise from outside is not as bad. It's not the best, but the noise outside is not as bad. Yeah. Welcome to Annapolis, Maryland. You know, that's how the thing said. BWI Marshall Airport. Catch a flight. Heading to Jamaica. I don't know what's going on with the gas, guys. The gas is just going to the roof. I don't know about this hacking up the pipeline system. And, you know, everybody trying to get gas. Everybody running to get gas. Sorry. Come on, big truck on the highway. Dumper truck. And them truck make money in Jamaica. And it's them truck, so. Dumper truck, yeah, right. So them make money in Jamaica because the man them a charge over $100,000 for a load of sand and a load of stone. So if you build a house in Jamaica, them truck we normally use one load of sand, one load of stone. Yeah, that's what it looks like. One time I did a plan for ship down one of them truck to Jamaica still, you know. To do a little business out there, make some money, because you know it's a boy. As a man that work 9 to 5, you could have a business to you. So I say you can't work all the day of your life for other people. You need to try to do your business, because trust me, when you work for other people, them pay you your little small pocket change while them retain all the money for themselves in the corporation and thing. So if you really want to make money in your life, you have to do your business. Yeah? So I say ain't nothing wrong with working 9 to 5, you know. But it's good for you to also have a little business on the side for yourself, because that's how you overcome your poverty. Enough of us have financial issue and financial trouble and struggling. Nice, look the wrong Jeep, the wrong rider. So anyway, so enough of us is just trying to make money, especially with the pandemic and everything that's going on right now. Money is very difficult for some of us. So I say, and 9 to 5 alone not doing it, because some of us are live paycheck to paycheck and we want to supplement our income, especially with passive income. Money you can make when you're really not working. You see what I say? And that is what I need to work on. You see what I say? That's why I want to go to Jamaica and deal with my Airbnb, you know, guys. Because yeah, I want to open the hatch in the roof, but I mean, I don't want the wind to make too much noise, you know, because you know, so when the wind or the hatch open, there's a lot of noise, and you guys probably can't hear me with the wind blowing and things. So I guess I might have to just leave it off. But yeah, man, open road, you know, long driving, open road. Welcome to Maryland, United States of America. kaboom. Yeah. Open road. Long driving. Yeah, them decide so boy them going back to school because you know what I mean, it seems like in life when you start something and finish it, you feel like there's something always in the back of your mind. No matter if your life even change and you have money and everything, you just feel like so boy, as long as you don't finish what you started, you feel like a failure. So some people go back. Yeah, that's the Benz Jeep right here, looking good. I think these price tag is going for like $75,000, $80,000 for one of these right here. That's what I'm saying. So one of these that saw Offset was driving the other day. You know, Offset from the Amigos. Yeah. Yeah man, if you Sylvester Stallone, Rambo have one of those in black. His color is in black. Yeah man. Nice vehicle, you know, when you have the money. Motorsports. You can live the life, get the dream car that you always want. You understand? So the thing said, if you work hard and save your money for what you want in life, you will achieve it. You know, with God blessings. If you work hard. Don't bad mind nobody for them things. You understand? Don't see a man driving a nice BMW X6 or a Porsche or, you understand, whatever it is, a Lamborghini, you know, and you say, boy, yo, I say him stay man, a money boy off man and I show off on people. Yo, I don't know if you do this, I don't shouldn't do these things because remember, almost everybody were rich or have something in life. They were poor first and they suffer. They suffer in life to attain the things that they have. You understand? Nobody not just born rich unless you were lucky like say boy Beyonce daughter. You know, Beyonce and Jay-Z, their daughter, what's her name? Blue Ivy or whatever her name is. And you know, them have some more kids again, the twin and everything. But I'm saying, if you were lucky enough to born your mother and father as a celebrity, like all Nicki Minaj, child and all them things, you know, say boy you're born with a gold spoon in your mouth. And that's what my grandmother always tell me, say, boy, some people born with a gold spoon in their mouth, and that's what it truly means. It truly means to have a rich celebrity parents. You understand? So, a lot of us, we are not that fortunate. We born, come see our father and mother struggling. Or maybe some of us born in a single family house, and we struggle. You know, mother and send us to school, and you understand, we have to go to school. And some of us, even if we have a bachelor degree, we still can't find a job. What's that gas job this way? So, alright, we still can't find a job. They say get the gas shot, you know, at least we see a truck on the road and bring some gas to the service station. Yeah man, that's how things said. And like I said earlier, I better buy some gas because the gas price probably gonna go up. You know what I mean? It's gonna get high until they fix the pipeline hacking problem. Yeah man, so let me ask you still back to the topic. Some of us basically lucky in life, you know, to have a mother and father who has money. You know what I mean? We can take care of us. And people like myself, I born come see my mother and father really struggling. Both of them have to work 9 to 5. So it wasn't easy for me. It wasn't easy for me. I have to go out there and work for myself. Feed myself. You understand? So if you see somebody driving a nice car or having a nice house in their life a little bit, you know, different from yours, there's no need for you to feel envy or talk badness about the person, saying show off on him this, because a lot of us born with nothing. You understand? So if a person is blessed to have something in life, you're supposed to bless the person as well and have good prayers and hold the person in your heart in a good place. There's so many of us, as soon as you see somebody do something, you say, boy, I'm show off on him this and him that and him, you know, talk badness about him. But when you were suffering, nobody really care about that person. The reason why when me hear people say, boy, Floyd Mayweather show off with all the money that he achieved through his boxing career, I always say to them, say, boy, yo, allow the man alone, because a fly one buy 31 Rolex and pay over $1 million for a watch. You know what I mean? A wristwatch. That's his money. You know what I mean? When he was in the ring boxing, he the one get absorb all the blow, all the pain. You understand? If him have problem like Judge, Muhammad Ali and all them people that we have all type of problem with shaking and stuff like that. He maybe end up in his age, start to have medical condition and problem, but that's what he choose. He chose to box and absorb the blow and the pain and the agony to make his money that way. While we choose to work 9 to 5 and we choose to get paycheck to paycheck because we don't find our niche in life to figure a way out to make money. And some of us, if they even put in a boxing ring and give you 2 gloves for a box, you go ask them if they're crazy. You go jump out of the ring and say, boy, you mad? Me not do that. I rather work on a 7-Eleven. I work for my little boss in the office, copy and fax documents and send out email, answer the phone. That is what I was born and put in the world to do. Somebody having it harder than you. Over here is a guy there. I believe they are trying to, put a line. I think the purple line. Look over here. They're trying to put the purple line over there. So this construction still ongoing still. They've been doing this for over a year now. They are running a purple line over here, which is a new train line for a metro train. Call it the purple line. So they have been working for a long time on this, you know what I mean? There's a lot of work they did so far, but I don't know when they're gonna be able to open it. But so this is America. They have the money, them have the power, and them have the resource. Just a matter of time and the train gonna be running. Yeah, so that's what it is. Check out my little Mini, guys. This is the start button right here. It's kind of really funny how they designed the start button. Come in the car and you push the button downward to start the car, push it back upward, turn the car off. These are just a climate control, AC, heat, different mode, auto set, you understand? And up here we have our infotainment system, CD player, all the good stuff. It's kind of really funny the way they designed this as in a circle. They put that little orange color right here, or orange yellow color right here. It has the safety shield on here, so it's a boy. It give you that lane changing assist and all that stuff. Also have the weather. So this is a HD radio in here. Very nice setup. Yes, guys, I run into some heavy traffic right here. I don't know what's going on. I think, like me say, these guys are still working on the purple line, so maybe that's why this little area right here is so backed up with traffic. Construction been going on for so long, maybe like 2 years they've been working over here. Still haven't finished yet. Oh, them have a guy up here with a stop sign flagging the traffic. Yes, maybe that's why. And police. Seems like police working up ahead too. Traffic is moving slow. Or maybe the police is just assisting the construction. Yeah. Man, I've been out my house all day, running errands. Finally coming to an end right now still. Yeah, gotta give thanks for another day. But them say Baltimore, BWI Marshall Airport, yeah. Jump to the right, jump to the left to go to Washington, D.C. Yeah, them just built this bridge the other day too, It's a new bridge them put up right here. Now them have a double bridge, it was only a single bridge. But they split it in two and put up two bridges, I don't know why. You know what I mean? They split the highway and put up 2 separate bridges. Okay, guys. Time to get out of here. This is my little Mini I'm driving right here. Yep, this is what it looks like. Tell me if you like the color. Yep, little Mini. That's what's it. Little tiny cars. Park it anywhere you want. Baby can drive it. Seemed like Quincy was cutting the grass. Have a fresh cut back here. See if anything I plant is growing over here. Oh man, this need to weed up. Oh boy, this need to weed up. It looked like something growing over here. Look like those yellow leaves are the lettuce. The lettuce is growing. That's what it is. So the lettuce growing right there. Those are the lettuce. I don't see what else is growing. Okay, these are the carrots. These are carrots right here. Yeah, the carrots are growing. This is some thyme, or the leaf of the scallion right here. And this is the lettuce growing right there. Over here we got some thyme right there. Some tomato plant. That's a tomato plant right there. That's a big tomato growing right here. Is the pepper growing. Here's some more pepper. This is the bell pepper growing right here. Over here we got tomato growing right there. And this right here is tomato too. Got tomato growing right here. I need to clean this up though. Get them weed out. Got tomato and a pepper growing right here, guys. This is a cabbage. This is a cabbage growing right here, all by itself. That's a cabbage. There's another cabbage right here. Another cabbage plant growing right here. Looking good. Yeah, I gotta come clean this place up. Get all these weed. But look at it. It's all growing right there, looking beautiful. Okay guys, I planted some cucumber, but I don't see the cucumber growing. So cucumber was planted right here in this process, the part right here, but I don't know. The cucumbers, I don't know if they're growing. They may be small. I can't identify them yet, so I'm gonna forgive the farm some more time and then come back and see what's up. Yeah, there we got some guys to build these steps. The guys them came in and built the steps, but they build them all lean. I'm gonna show you guys what they did to this step. We dug out the backyard, decided to make a walkout basement back here. So, open the door up. We put a door right here, and we build these steps. But if you look, these guys build the steps. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they turn the steps them downward. Some of them is worse than the others. You know what I mean? So this is a terrible construction right here. Look at this one. This step's supposed to be level. The tread's supposed to be level. It's turned downward. It's not level. Didn't plumb at all. So these tradesmen don't know what they're doing. All these steps right here are turned downward. Now, I mean, this is a messed up construction. How's it going? All right, man. Feel nice back here, though. You got an old car right here. I guess this is like a junk, really. So, they get rid of this car because nobody want it. You know what I mean? Ain't nobody gonna use this joint. It's gonna sit here and rotten down. Ain't nobody need this, so this is a free car. Nobody can come and just haul it away. You can salvage it or whatever you want to do. Use it for your own purpose. It's all free. Yes, guys. Bought a hot back in my little Mini. I'm bored out of here. The neighbor got some nice little flowers growing over there. Look at them flowers, guys. Really pretty flowers. It's beautiful. You got an outdoor cooking pit too. Yes, sir. Just jump back in my little Mini. Hit the road. Now let's fire it up. Let's sit down for start. Alright. Muffler. Sounds good. Can't play no music. I want no copyright. But yeah, you have a lot of speakers in here. So, but I can't play no music though. It's copyright and everything. Speakers in the door. Looking good. I like to bung some Vice Cartel right now, but yeah. You know, I don't know if this is an all-wheel drive or a four-wheel drive or what, but we got navigation down here. Got the media system, we got the menu, communication. You know, the normal stuff. Let's try open the sunroof. I believe this is the button here. One click on it. Start the roll off. Alright, there we go. The sunroof is open. You guys can see up in the sky. See the place. Yeah. This is what it is. Check out my ride. I like the sign. It's like the Batman mobile.